How to change Roblox name tag color. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. So as of the moment, I am inside the Roblox website right here, and the only thing that you need to do is to go ahead and head over to Roblox support. In my case, I'll just go ahead and type roblox.com/support right here, because as you may know, you cannot go ahead and manually change the color of your name tag on Roblox. It is assigned to us randomly. From here, you can then go ahead and fill up necessary informations like your first name, your email address, so Roblox can go ahead and contact you, confirm that email address, and lastly, you have the issue details. From here, you can just go ahead and select your device. In my case, I'll click on PC, and you want to click on bug report. From here, all you have to do is to describe our issue. Our issue is we need help changing our name tag color. So you can just go ahead and type that out right here and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.